Have you ever paused to ponder the incredible complexity and importance of the crimson fluid pulsating through our veins? This miracle fluid, known to us as blood, is more than just a simple liquid. It's a lifeline, a transporter, a waste management system, and a defense force, all rolled into one. Our bodies, like intricate machines, are made up of trillions of cells, each performing a unique function. Yet, none of these can perform their duties in isolation. They need a medium to connect them, to carry the necessary nutrients and oxygen to them, and to remove the waste products they produce. This is where our blood comes into play. Imagine your body as a bustling city. The blood would be its highway system, allowing for the continuous flow of traffic, connecting all parts of the city, ensuring that everything runs smoothly. This complex network of highways carries approximately 5 liters of blood, constantly circulating throughout our body. This is equivalent to filling a medium-sized milk jug. But what exactly is this vital fluid made of? Well, blood is composed of several elements. About 55% of it is a golden yellow fluid called plasma, which acts as the transportation medium for the other components. The rest is made up of red and white blood cells and platelets. The red blood cells, with their iconic disc shape, are the most abundant and are responsible for carrying oxygen from our lungs to the rest of our body. The white blood cells, although fewer in number, play a critical role in our immune system, defending our body against infections. The platelets, the smallest of the lot, are crucial for blood clotting, preventing excessive bleeding when we get injured. So next time you look at a drop of blood, remember, you're not just looking at a simple red fluid. You're looking at an incredibly complex and vital system, one that is continuously working to keep us alive and healthy. Understanding blood is not just about the red color we see, it's about unraveling the mystery of life itself. Blood, it's more than just a red liquid. It's a cocktail of cells, proteins, and ions, each with a vital role. Dive with me into the crimson sea of your veins and arteries, where you'll discover a microcosmic world teeming with life and activity. 4 main components form this life-giving cocktail, each contributing to the symphony that is our health. First, let's meet the red blood cells, the most populous members of this microscopic community. Shaped like a donut with a missing hole, they are the primary transporters of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Their red hue is thanks to hemoglobin, a protein that binds to oxygen and carries it from your lungs to every corner of your body. Now, onto the white blood cells, the warriors of our internal world. They are fewer in number, but mighty in their role. When an invader attacks, these cells spring into action, defending our body against infections and diseases. They are the guardians of our health, the unsung heroes of our immune system. Next up are the platelets, the emergency service of our circulatory system. When an injury occurs and a vessel is damaged, platelets rush to the scene, clumping together to form a clot and prevent excessive bleeding. They are the first responders, ensuring that the red sea of life does not escape our bodies. Finally, let's not forget the plasma, the liquid stage where all this drama unfolds. Making up about 55% of our blood, it is a straw-colored fluid that carries cells, nutrients, hormones, and waste materials. It's the highway of our body, facilitating the transport of essential elements while also helping to maintain body temperature. These 4 components work in harmony, ensuring our body functions optimally. The red blood cells, the white blood cells, the platelets, and the plasma, each with their unique roles, together create a symphony of life that courses through our veins, a testament to the intricate design of life. They remind us that blood is indeed more than just a red liquid. It is the river of life, the essence of our existence. Scene script. Ever wonder how a simple cut on your finger stops bleeding eventually? It's all thanks to a process called hemostasis. Dive with me now into the marvel of this natural healing art. Hemostasis, an elegant dance of biology, is a 3-stage process that halts bleeding and initiates repair. It's our body's immediate response to injury, a swift and precise mechanism that prevents excessive blood loss. The first stage of this process is called vascular spasm. Picture this. You accidentally nick your finger with a knife. Instantly, the blood vessels at the injury site contract, reducing the blood flow. It's like pinching a garden hose to decrease the water gushing out. This immediate response, orchestrated by nerve reflexes and chemical factors released by endothelial cells, buys us valuable time. Next, we enter the second stage, known as platelet plug formation. Platelets, those tiny disc-shaped elements in our blood, rush to the scene like first responders. They become sticky and clump together, forming a platelet plug that acts as a temporary seal to the injured vessel. This is akin to patching a hole on a leaking boat. The final act in this life-saving performance is coagulation, or blood clotting. Here, a series of complex reactions occur, involving over a dozen clotting factors. This transforms fibrinogen, a soluble protein in our blood, into long, sticky strands of fibrin. These fibrin strands weave around the platelet plug, forming a stable clot that seals the vessel completely. Imagine a spider wrapping its prey in silk. It's a similar concept. However, the body is careful not to let the clot grow too large, which could block blood flow. Various anticoagulants act as checks and balances, ensuring that clotting is confined to the injury site. Once the vessel heals, the clot is gradually broken down and removed, a process known as fibrinolysis. Hemostasis is our body's built-in first aid kit, always ready to kick into action. It's a harmonious symphony of cellular components and biochemical reactions, a testament to the intricate complexities and breathtaking wonders of our own biology. Blood coagulation, or clotting, is a fascinating process that turns liquid blood into a solid mass. But how does this happen? Well, when you get a cut, your body springs into action. The first responders to the scene of the injury are platelets, these tiny cell fragments that circulate in your blood. They rush to the site and start to clump together, forming a temporary plug to stop the bleeding. But that's just the beginning. The real magic starts when the coagulation factors, a group of proteins in the blood, get involved. These factors work together in a complex cascade of reactions. It's like an intricate domino effect, where each reaction triggers the next one. This process can be divided into two pathways, the intrinsic and extrinsic pathways, which eventually converge to a common pathway. The intrinsic pathway is activated by damage inside the blood vessel, while the extrinsic pathway responds to injury outside the blood vessel. Both pathways lead to the activation of factor X, marking the start of the common pathway. This activated factor X, along with its allies, converts prothrombin, a protein produced by the liver, into thrombin. Thrombin plays a key role in the final act of this drama. It transforms fibrinogen, another protein found in blood, into fibrin. Fibrin strands then weave together to form a net-like structure. This fibrin mesh works like a sealant, consolidating the platelet plug and forming a stable clot that staunches the blood flow. But clotting isn't all about stopping blood loss. It also sets the stage for healing. The clot provides a scaffold for new tissue to grow, aiding in the repair of the wound. Once the damage is fixed, another group of proteins, the fibrinolytic system, breaks down the clot, ensuring that blood flow is restored. In essence, coagulation is a beautifully choreographed dance, a delicate balance between clotting and bleeding, healing and harm. It's a testament to the body's incredible ability to heal itself. Coagulation is like the body's emergency repair crew, working tirelessly to keep us safe and healthy. From sustaining life to healing wounds, blood is truly the conductor of the Symphony of Life. It's more than just the red fluid coursing through our veins. It's a complex mixture of cells, platelets, plasma, and numerous other elements, each playing a crucial role in maintaining our health and well-being. Let's revisit the composition and functions of blood components. Blood consists primarily of red and white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Red blood cells act as oxygen delivery agents, carrying this vital gas from our lungs to every cell in our body. White blood cells, the guardians of our health, defend against disease-causing organisms. Platelets, the unsung heroes, spring into action when we get a cut or bruise, clumping together to form a clot and prevent excessive bleeding. But what about plasma? This straw-colored liquid makes up about 55% of our blood volume. It's a transport medium, ferrying nutrients, hormones, and waste products to and from our cells. It also carries clotting factors, which are instrumental in hemostasis and blood coagulation. Hemostasis, the process that prevents excessive blood loss when a blood vessel is injured, is a beautifully orchestrated event. It begins with vasoconstriction, narrowing the blood vessel to reduce blood flow. Then, platelets adhere to the damaged site, forming a plug. Coagulation factors in the plasma then interact to form a fibrin clot, reinforcing the platelet plug and effectively sealing the wound. The process of blood coagulation is a testament to the intricate balance within our bodies. It's a delicate dance between procoagulant factors promoting clot formation and anticoagulant factors preventing excessive clotting. This balance ensures that we don't bleed excessively when injured, yet don't develop harmful clots under normal conditions. As we conclude, remember that every drop of blood in your body is a testament to the wonder of life. Subscribe for more mind-blowing facts about the world within us.